Celebrating beauty with a purpose. Abra News, upload the new queen of Abra.
Your best Abra 2026 is
Miss Abra Bangued
Bayle.
Wearing a big smile, presenting 27 gorgeous lovely candidates of Miss Abra 2026. From introduction, wearing casual mini gold dress, quick switch to gold swimwear.
Cristel Macmahon, you're from our home in Tayon, Lagan! Justin Kate Alupog, Pilipina, the home of Waray Festival, Manabang! Gloria Velasco, La Paz!
Kalpasan ti swimsuit competition, nayawat na iti special awards. Best in Tourism Award ni Miss Tinig, anang ibida ti kultura, tradisyon ken turismo iti Ilida. Napili ang Miss Photogenic ni Miss Pilar, Best in Talent ni Miss Daguman, Miss Congeniality ni Miss Tinig, idinto sponsor awardee da Miss Luba, Bangued, Lagayan, Bulinay ken Lakub. Confidently walking on the stage with proper posture and poise, adadapay at importe pintas ken pang magbagi dagiti kandidata kabayatan ti longdown competition. Guest performer ti kapamilya star ani Jameson Blake anang serenade kadagiti kandidata ken uri dagiti napan nagbuya.
Ibigay lahat pati ang buwan, panalangin. Make it hurricane on it. Honey buns, you and I, baby, who cares? I know you care.
And the competition continues. Another set of special awards. Napili ni Miss Salapada na Best Festival Costume, Best in Swimwear ni Miss San Juan, and Best in Evening Gown ni Miss Dolores. From 27 candidates down to top 12 finalists as they go straight to the crucial part of the competition, the question and answer portion. Miss Bangued, Lagayan, San Juan, Dolores, Bulinay, Peñarubia, Licuan Baay, Villaviciosa, Lakub, Luba, Piligan ken La Paz. Manipod top 12 napili da Miss Bangued, Dolores, Villaviciosa, Peñarubia ken Bulinay aparte ti Magic 5.
Kawayan Festival 2026. Theme this year is the celebration of unity for a stronger and progressive Abra. As we celebrate unity in our province today, how can this spirit of togetherness inspire us to build a stronger and more progressive Abra?
Ngem nagari ti kumpiyansa ken sirib ni Miss Bangued Maveejoy Bayle.
Unity is the heart of the Abranian spirit. Through this, we can take all of our dreams and create a single goal to make the province of Abra more stronger and more progressive. That when we respect and understand each other, we can create a stronger community. That through respect, understanding, and love for our province, that we can overcome our challenges and create more opportunities for our people. That through the spirit of togetherness, we can be inspired to create an Abra that is where no one is left behind. That true progress comes from our deepest connections. Because in Abra, we are not just together as one, we rise together as one. Thank you very much.
Ken nakoronaan kas Miss Abra 2026.
And it feels so surreal right now kasi I am the youngest in the competition and I still won. And my advocacy is to empowering the youth through education, and that is why I'm standing here as your Miss Abra 2026 to tell you that you should study and you should empower yourself through education. I am very, very grateful po to everyone who supported me, to my friends, my family, the panel of judges for choosing me to be the next Miss Abra 2026.
First runner-up ti Dolores, second runner-up ti Buline, third runner-up ti Peña Rubia, ken fourth runner-up ni Miss Villaviciosa. Naglipas ti Rabii, babae ni ti Maysa a fireworks display. Jessica Boreta, Balitang, Solid North.